Hello everyone, you are watching SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and current topic for this lecture is SQL, and we are going to execute count function and see how to execute queries with count function. This is lecture number 9 in this series given by myself, Shinaz Malik, and let's quickly go into the lecture and the core of this topic. So which is the just remember that the count function, okay, returns the number of rows, okay, number of rows that matches a specified criteria, okay. And now this is the syntax, okay. I'm just keeping it simple, and sweet, so that you guys understand. We can make more complex queries later on when we move into intermediate and advanced level, and that I will bring you into the professional, topmost level, slow and steadily. The more you watch my lectures, keep on watching, keep connection, contact with me, and subscribe to my channel, to my account. The more you do that, the more I will share with you, okay. Just bear with me, but this is the simplest way. We put the select statement and a column name, and and put it through count function, okay, and then it's from table and where condition it meets. And let's quickly execute this query from SQL Server Management System, okay. And for that, what we need to do is we open our Management Studio, SQL Server Management Studio. And if you see, I'm just trying to use different tables from the database that I am currently working. Of course, I'm working with Adventure Works 2004, okay. And if you see what I'm just doing, I'm find the count of a group name field in the human resources dot department table, where name is like this, which is p pattern. Basically, I'm finding now here it is count, okay. This is a column name. If you see, I can show you even this human resource, but I'm department. I'm choosing the department. Let's see, where is this department stuff? It's here. And if you go inside, so here is the name, okay, name column. And so group name is here, and I'm taking it as total underscore p for pattern, with the pattern group, total pattern group, which is, I'm just giving it a kind of alias to total underscore p underscore group. And I'm counting it how many I have, and I'm doing it from human resources dot department, and that's here, okay. And where name, if you see that it's kind of matching with the keywords. So if you have any problem like this, in SQL Server, for example, one way to solve this key problem, where it highlights as a keyword, so the name, if you have such keyword which kind of matches with the keyword, all that, yeah, in all that you need to do is put it in long brackets, and that's it, solved, and the problem solved, okay. So where name column, where name like p, and then I'm showing the pattern. And if I say execute, and this is what I get, okay. This is what I get, three. I have three such say three count, where name column like p, okay. And if you want to know what I'm doing basically here, let us quickly understand this. So if I comment out my where clause, and put and here to SQL query, okay. And then if I take the count off, okay, if I take the count off, and say, and I take everything basically off, just to show you where from I'm getting all this. And if I execute this query now if you see, I'm taking everything, selecting all columns from human resources dot department here in this query, okay. I'm not putting any condition. Now if you see, we have department ID, name, group name, and modified date. And if you see, for example, if I include now this condition, okay, and take continue this until uh, until this last line in line number 10. Okay, if I do that, now what will happen that we will get everything, but we will see only where name is having this pattern. And let me show you what it means. See, where the name has only P pattern, so everything starting with P: purchasing, production, and production control. And if I again take off this wire clause, I'm just trying to show you how queries work, so that you get intuition of all how it works. I'm going to show you everything and take it slow by steadily to advanced levels. But this is the way how we built, the skills which are very much, in demand in the market, especially nowadays. Okay. So a lot of data is getting generated, and with that data, if you know how to query that data and generate information out of data, you will be really valid, a valuable employee for anybody. Or you can even do great things with data and generate informations that matter to organizations, and overall to country progress. Okay. And so let's see here, so what we are doing here. So if you see now, we have, I can change this P, or I can change this P into anything else. Let's say, what else you have, where you can see, let's say S, okay, because we might get more than one. Then okay, so if you see S, oh, I have done something wrong. Now I need to know what I have. Okay, see, I've not taken this off because the query is still on. Okay, so this is, so now see, you are getting all, selecting every column from same table, and where this name is like S, and we are getting sales and shipping and receiving. So this is the way, you basically, kind of execute this query. But my actual point to show you all this in count was, so this is your table. Okay, and from this table you have this name column, group name, and modified. We are not concerned about these two columns. We are using only these two columns. And if you see what I'm doing in this query, so I'm saying count group name, so I'm counting this group name. And I'm further doing where name is like P. Okay, so I'm saying count. Okay, count group name. So if you see P, uh, where name is a P, so P production control is 1. Okay, and purchasing is 2. So let's go again: purchasing 1, production 2, production control 3. So you have three rows that start with P. Okay, and that's what we get. Okay, 3 observations. And I hope that this lecture is useful for all of you guys. And if you like this lecture, then what we need to do is, please subscribe, connect, if you haven't until now with me. Okay, do connection, try to do every kind of connection, which means that you, wherever you are seeing this video, whatever platform, connect through that platform to me if you haven't until now. And please hit the notification bell or whatever you need to do, so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I hope to see all of you in next video. Until then, I have to thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals. And remember, sharing is caring. With that, I have to say that this is good time to say goodbye.